Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, right now I'm preparing some special dish. I'm preparing white sauce. White sauce is used in many dishes. You can use it when you're preparing spaghetti. You can use it in soups. You can use it in many other stews and while you're baking as well. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's go into it. So we shall need 1 cup of milk, a pinch of salt. I'll be using mudalasin leaves, but you can use bay leaves. Then 1 small onion, some cloves, and then flour and some cooking oil. So I'll go ahead and place our saucepan right there, and then pour the milk. So at this stage I'll put in the mudalasin leaves, 2. Then I'll drop in the cloves as well. And then wait for it to cook. So as it's cooking, I'm measuring my salt, the one I'll use. Then for a cup of milk, I'll need 3 teaspoons of flour. That's enough. So at this stage the milk is boiling. I'll go ahead and put in the onion. I remember when we were young, they used to tell us that onions and milk don't connect, but I don't know why they told us that myth. Because when you're making this sauce, rain has come. When you're preparing this sauce, you use onions, but the milk remains just fine. As you can see, I've put the onion, but nothing has happened. So I'll let it cook for a little while. So you can see the milk is fine. There's nothing that has happened to it. Maybe they just didn't want us to play with the milk. I don't know. So right now I'll set the milk aside. And then I'll put another saucepan. So in the saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. At this stage, you're supposed to use butter, but hey, this is a village. I'm using cooking oil. And before it becomes hot, I'll add in the flour. Cook it a little bit more. Then I'll go ahead and pour in the milk little by little. You keep on stirring until all the flour dissolves. If you have a whisk or a whisk, you can use that. Then Then I'll add in salt. And just like that, you have yourself some super cool white sauce. If it gets more thick, then you add in some little milk or water. So making it is just as easy as that. So there is our white sauce. At this stage you can use it in any other thing that you're preparing that requires it. So easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.